You another secret. That girl is not my sister, it's my wife.
What?
That's correct, bitch.
No, kasi kita sa Karabo. No.
else. I don't want to hear anything about Tukarabo. This guy was just a Jimmy came to Joburg and I was there to rescue him.
So sometimes I went.
No, can you just please leave me alone?
Hey yo, what's up again, viewers? We are back again with another episode of ANGIYITHANDI LENTO. Here on the show we have different stories, different days, different times, but the presenter is only one. MTP wephimbo elicula kamnandi liphinde likhulume kamnandi. Now if ungayithandi mhlawumbe into enziwa umuntu wakho or ubhuti wakho, even efamily or emsebenzini, wherever the case may be, usibhalele. Nanka ama details ngenzansi la manje ungasibhalela either on email, Facebook, TikTok, or even comment la ngenzansi on YouTube. Today we have a different story, of which is we have uKarabo, my brother, usibhalele now uthi khona angayithandi yenzo umuntu nje a close naye, but I don't want to say anything about it. He will explain the story because he runs the show. This is his show today. My brother Karabo, unjani?
I am doing absolutely 100% very well, sir. How are you doing?
I'm good too, but you are worrying me about you are doing absolutely 100% because you wrote to us ukuthi awukho happy about something. Can you tell us ukuthi where do you come from and why did you write on the show?
Original from Rustenburg, but I'm in Joburg currently because of work, obviously. But let me start by saying thank you for responding for my test, for the letter that I sent you, because I've been waiting for so long for you guys to come along so that you can be able to perhaps help me on my relationship. I have a problem in my relationship with my girl, and oh my god, I love this girl so much, bro, and it will be so nice if you guys be able to fix our relationship, because of I tried by my own, but it seems like I'm failing. So I think you guys being the middleman, you'll be able to help as you were able to help others before. So my problem with my girl is that
before we get to the problem, I want you to tell us about your girlfriend. The first time, like what happened? Out of all the women in the world, or in South or in Joburg, what made you point this one woman and said, this one is the one, this one? What did you see?
You know, by just saying that, you just make me feel like I can forgive her now because of her.
No. You must be here first.
Oh my God, she's an angel.
Yeah.
Her name is Naledi, which means a star, and in my life she's the one. Yeah. She's a truly star. She's amazing. She's beautiful. Like, I remember first time when I saw her, I was like, oh my God! I was like, wow.
What's happening? Which one is this one now?
I was like, wow, this girl, she's beautiful.
Yeah. And what did you do? Like, did you approach her? Did you ask for a number? Did you buy her drinks? Did you buy, maybe like, did you go to a restaurant? What did you do? The first time you saw her, what was your first step? Just tell me about that moment.
Yes. You know, when you're coming from rural places and when you get to meet a Joburg girl, they always tell you when you go to Joburg that don't mix with Joburg girls. Definitely. When you go there, you just make money, you come back home. Exactly. But when I saw that one, I forgot everything they said. Wow, I was like, this one, I have to get her number, I have to be. And when I get there, to put the story short, I doubted that she gonna say yes. So I was like, hey, can I get your number? I'd love to be your friend. Maybe you can show me some places here in Joburg because I'm new. And then she acted so cool, you know. Yeah. She was like, okay, cool. And I was like, we exchange numbers, and then we meet once, we meet twice, and then go with time. Yeah. Things happen. I was like, oh, thank you God, thank you my ancestors, thank you everything. The universe agreed for us to be together, and it's been so nice. I don't know if I answer your question.
You did, but now I want to come back to you. I hear you mixing, Zulu, English, where you come from. Do you guys nikhuluma isiZulu or isiTswana, isiPedi or isiNgisi? Because ngifuna bazi abantu ukuthi what is your background?
Yes. Home, where I'm from, which means in my homeland we speak Zulu, is Rustenburg. But home in Tlini, ekhaya, re bua Sesotho ka tlung. Okay. Yes, because of my father is a Sotho, and then he wants us to speak Sotho. But you come to Joburg, when you first get in the ring, they're like, Baba uyakupi. Like, what this man saying? So I had to learn Zulu by force because of it seemed like it's a first language in Joburg. So I'm still taking in Zulu, but then there I can hear a Zulu man, but I just to respond. Sometimes it gets to be difficult there, but I understand Zulu also.
Perfect. So usually as black people, they say we can't express ourselves fully when we are using English. So now ngifuna ukuthi mawukhuluma yabo ufake language yakho, ufake isiZulu sakho teka kusona, bese uphinde futhi ufake yabo English yabo to accommodate other people. But for you to express yourself fully, ngifuna uyifake na language yakho yabo ukuze nawe into engaphakathi kuwena we keep. So now let's come back to the elephant of the room. After you've been with this woman, number one, how long you've been in a relationship?
It's been honeymoon 2 years. That's how I would love to call it.
Honeymoon 2 years.
Honeymoon 2 years.
And then now, what make this honeymoon to break? Yinenza ukuthi ke manje ke kube nenkinga to cause you to write to us and tell us ukuthi khona into ongayithandi yenzakala kwi relationship. What happened? What is the problem? Why are you sibhalele? What is the issue?
Yeah. I never been married, but I have friends who are married. So they say in honeymoon is where you just be with your wife and get to know each other. Just she's here, you are here, and then they spend on together all the time. And that's why I call my time with her a honeymoon 2 years, because of it's a little more really too and enjoying our time until she starts to she doesn't spend enough time with me anymore, and I'm starting to get worried. She's killing our honeymoon, bro, and that's the thing that I enjoy with my wife. She's my friend. She's not just only my wife to be. She's my friend. She's my girlfriend. She's my ride along. She's my everything. Yeah. So now, I understand what's it. And tlamela sebetse for her career, but no dintho di sa tshwana samfana ko enyenyane ke lekile o bua le ena a ntjwetsa ka gore tlamele ke understand wa sebetsa, which is ke understand wa sebetsa, but dintho ne really different before. Now di fetohile and ha ola lebaka ko fela tlamele ke understand. I can't understand. I just want her to explain, but she always give me the same answer. Ho wa sebetsa. So I just don't know, man, and that's the reason why I wrote for you guys to help me, because of maybe please explain. Maybe can understand. Please explain.
Okay, so before you brought her to the show, right? Did you try and speak to her and try to resolve this thing? And what is this thing? One thing that you are not happy about? Is it time? She's not giving you time anymore? Is it maybe like, I don't know, what is it that you're currently not happy? And did you speak to her in the house before you brought her here?
Yes, I did speak with her. But the way she treated me is not the same anymore.
Yeah.
And I don't know the reason or not. But I'm feeling which is no. But I will say I understand. But the treatment that she gave me is not the same. It's not the same. Okay. So I guess my problem are two now, which is time and the treatment.
Okay, I see. Perfect. As you guys know, we don't just speak to him only, because we are here the other side of the coin. So we just said to go to my sister Naira so we can speak to her or call her on the show. See why but inako for my brother. So Mapiza ngicela bethu ngibizele usisi wami lapha unaleti ngemumva ezela ukuze sikhulume naye size ukuthi kahle kahle yini le yena anenkinga nayo njengamanje. What's her side of the story? Somlinda. While seza, my brother, ngicela ukuthi ke nawe ungasabi mayisefike la, express yourself as you were expressing yourself just before. You're going to do the same thing, ne?
I will do my best.
Okay, perfect. By honeymoon phase, manje, we are here for the elephant in the room, which is the wrong side or the bad side of the relationship. So my sister, you can come through so that uzo what's happening today. Hello, my sister.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and yourself? Perfect. Kamalami, MTP, Wepimbo, Mtobisi. namhlanje, as you can see, we have my brother. I'm sure uyamazi. Awusitshela nje kancane nje ukuthi how do you know this guy?
Okay, my name is Naledi. Naledi Mola. I know Ukarabo. Okay, I've met him 2 years back, so we've been dating for the past 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah, and
I'm sure he's romantic.
I was actually about to say that. He is. He's really good. He's romantic, and I mean, he has all the time for me. So yeah.
Why do you say he has all the time for you? Mhlawumbe, is he like a businessman who has time to see you? Is he not working, or what's happening? Why does he get all the time?
MTB. Okay, what I can say is Ukarabo here is one person who, okay, it's compared to all the guys that I've dated. Karabo has iskhathi yazimamfonela umdinga, he's here. Yeah, whenever when I need him, is always available. So yeah.
So namhlanje ke uyambona uKarabo is here in front of you. This show is called ANGIYITHANDI LENTO, and I want you to tell us njengoba umbona la, why do you think he called you here on this show?
I don't know. Can he tell me why he brought me here? I don't know. I have no idea what's happening. Why
Okay.
is it that he doesn't love, or I don't know.
So according to your relationship right now, is everything fine? Like Nzathandana, are you guys in the honeymoon phase? Do you still do the same things you guys used to do before? Just tell us about that. Because you told us before, you guys have been in a super honeymoon phase, but now there's a little bit of a change. But just tell us, according to your view, side of the story, is everything going fine with relationship? No man, now it's content.
Whoa, yeah, ne. Okay, hence I say looting why but what I know is that yeah, well, everything is fine until, okay, I know now I'm back together with Ubaba too. So yeah, I think maybe that's where the problem is.
Okay, before
okay, go pop it up.
Remember, yes, right? So and I mean, okay, we're just trying to sort things out, but now I feel like
So okay, to know more.
Oh, you know what, I'm sorry about that, but now this is reality, you know.
Wait, guys. Before you came here, he said he spoke to you though. Endlini wakubuza ukuthi kwenzakalani, why relationship singahambi kahle, and then you never brought this story. So now
we don't know busy yeah. But no, so hlata ba gona le ntate wa ngwana o khutlile. Nna ka mgo ke tsebang ka teng go rena le ntate wa ngwana ba agwane. And everything is cool, but they are separate. She's with me now.
So when you know ukuthi they long time ago separated.
And
I like to tell about
in the picture.
My sister, what is happening?
Everything making sense now.
Okay, fine. It'll be honest, because I mean I can't lie to you.
But you've been lying.
Please just give her time of so she can just give us her side of the story and tell us what's happening.
Okay, this is what's happening.
When ago was this?
Yes, please.
This is a recent thing. It's been like 3 months now. So I'm just trying to work things out with him, and I feel like Nyamtanda. Yeah, I've always loved him.
Okay, my brother.
So what's happening between us now?
Yeah.
Yo, Karabo, let me be honest with you.
Please.
Yeah. I'm only with you because you're good, you're romantic, and I love the sex. Oh, that's in all the guys that I've dated.
What is happening?
Ukarabo is just the best. He's good in bed, and I enjoy that. All women want that.
Yes, definitely.
And another thing, Mamela, I'm the one. Omenzela yonkinto. Hlala endlini yami manje. I bought him a car. I mean, this was out of love. So you can't blame me for being going
back.
back.
Those things here now. You know what, lady? Potso e tswile. O batla mahareng a ka le wena. What do you want between us? Or ke bue ka Sezulu? Ho etsa le mahareng a ka le wena. O khutlelang le ntata ngwana ha o batla yena. Ko tswele ka ntlo.
So my sister, when the whole time ube na kwi relationship, kahle kahle when you were just there for the romance and the sex.
For this, the sex especially, yeah, that was.
That's the reason.
Yeah, that was one thing.
And then ubaba ingane zakho yena kanti akakunikeni empete nakakunikeni.
To be honest, ubaba ingane akafika ukaraba fika khona.
He rock star ukaraba. He has all the time.
Can't a woman love two guys? I mean, isn't that allowed? I love him and ubaba umntana ngiyamthanda since we just got back together.
Okay,
so
check this. There are two men in the. I get we batla ka Sotho kapo we batla ka Setswana kapo we batla ka Sezulu. Ke babedi no. Khetha I one because of I can't share you with another man. What do you want? Don't bitch around here. What do you want? I understand you have all the money, you have exposed me already, or you feed me. Yes, you do. So what do you want now? Should I leave you alone? What's gonna happen between us? Are you going to that rubbish, or are you staying with me?
don't call him rubbish.
That's who you
Don't
call
call him
her.
rubbish.
That's who you call him.
Yeah,
when
but
it
he's
comes to
not.
me.
I was just angry at that time.
Okay.
Yeah, and
So
you
now
had
things
you
are
had
good now.
all the time for me, but now I feel also like whenever I send you money, because apparently let me put it in this way, he gets allowance from me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I give him money.
Oh.
So
it's like
now,
you pay him.
yeah, actually that's
What
what I'm
he
gonna
does.
call it. Like I didn't have to say this
I think
because
I understand for this.
but mamela.
My brother, just hear his side of the story or your side of the story ukuthi aqede nayo yonke into. Yini manje ofela ngathi awusayitholi manje kubhutiza or usuyifuna manje back to your baby daddy?
Yazin, but for uthi ngibuyelane no baby daddy. Ukarabo, okay fine, as I said, he had all the time for me, I don't wanna lie. But recently, the moment I thinking ngimfakela imali, he's gone. Ngathi udla le mali angazi angisathi uyidla namajita manje. Obviously maybe he has some chick that he's spending my money with, and I'm tired of that.
Do you have someone else besides Unalet, my brother?
Okay. O so bile ntho tse di batlang di bua kaofela. Tse nhlabang pelo. Nna ke tlile mo re tlo lokisa dintho. Wena you just take it to the, you escalate everything. So let me tell you the truth now, what's gonna happen. I'm gonna leave you today. One qetela. And I know you're thinking, oh, I'm feeding this guy. Oh, baby girl, the money that you've been giving me, I'm saving your money. So I have all of it. So the cars, you bought them in my name, so they are mine. So I'm leaving you, and everything that you think you're gonna take back, there's nothing you're gonna take back, because of all along I was with you because of your money. So bitch, go be a bitch.
I'm gonna
and
come burn those cars. I'm gonna come burn my car.
My brother, please just don't use like a very hard language in the show.
That's
know what, I don't
my
like
money. I'm gonna come burn those cars.
So you are saying when the whole time you've been using her, Tatimali like we save her, and the car that you guys bought, it's in your name.
Can't you see this thing is stupid?
I mean, I say a very wise and grown-up woman. I don't see any stupid.
Oh.
Do you still love?
Let me tell you another secret. That girl Kerenka Uswaka is not my sister, it's my wife.
What?
That's correct, bitch.
No, doesn't get this all, Garabo.
correct,
No, you
bitch.
can't,
So
Garabo. You can't do that to me.
You, that bastard of yours, husband.
No.
So you've been cheating on him, her as well, the whole time.
Saying she's your sister.
I think I
Please
saw
have a
this from
seat.
the
Please have a
beginning.
seat.
I saw this from the beginning that this thing. That's exactly what I said, bitch.
Wow, what a loser.
Guy, thank you. You helped me. I've been looking for the way to get out of this bitch, and you gave me the way.
Okay, but now I need to the whole.
Garabo, don't do that to me. You're not leaving me. You're not leaving me. I did so much for you. I did so much for you, Garabo. I did so much for you.
I wish I can touch you now, because I've been wishing that for so long.
Okay, guys, we don't want you guys to fight manje nilwe pamgwetulana and all that stuff.
it's okay.
I just want to know, ukuthi going forward, do you guys still want to be in a relationship or you want to end things manje?
Man, can't you see this thing is ugly?
So you want to end things with her?
I'm ending things with her. Don't I want
But
to?
you told me about the honeymoon phase the whole time. Why were you saying you were in a honeymoon phase with someone you're calling ugly now?
Because I wanted her money.
My sister, you heard from the horse's mouth.
What?
Are you serious?
I'm not serious. I'm joking. You have missed shots.
You've been saving with my money.
Man, thank you very much. You done a good job.
My brother will talk to you behind the
Thank you
scenes.
very much.
We'll talk to you. You can just wait for us saying move. My sister, I understand ukuthi my brother ukubize lana just to clarify things. Now wamtshela ukuthi na you have a baby daddy. But manje after hearing all these things ukuthi naye ubesave imali yakho right now unentombi, how do you feel about all these things?
I don't even know what to say. I don't know.
Do you feel like you wasted your time?
I really feel like I've wasted my time and my money because I spent so much on this guy.
True.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, but now, since you are saying that you have a baby daddy that you are going to go with in a relationship, do you feel like now you're in a better place? You're going to move on nicely with your baby daddy? Everything is going to be fine. Are you happy with him now going forward? Because clearly, the relationship yakho no karabo ngayisenzeka. Are you going to continue now? Just be with your baby daddy and don't cheat for him and just be with him only.
Well, I think that's what I just have to do. I'm even out of words. I don't know what to say. Because Karabo really made me happy. But yeah, I don't know.
But seemingly he was making you sleep, mangoba in front of you, ube umuntu right, but the other side is busy.
Yeah.
Okay, my sister, well, thank you so much for your time and coming to the show and respecting us, even though you didn't expect Lente. But we're going to try and get you. Mhlaba, do you need any assistance or any help? Mhlaba, do you need like a psychologist? Also, kuluma nawe. Mhlaba, kululeka ngokwengqondo. All right, you're going to just move on with the baby daddy and everything is fine.
I think I'll just move on with my baby daddy.
Right.
Yeah. I hope this doesn't make him, I think, go away again. So, but yeah, I think I'll just stick to.
We had a nice conversation from the beginning, but right. So I want to find out how do you feel right now and going forward. We said
And I fucked up, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, I fucked up. But hey, ngwanong kwatisi tse utlile thotsa sa dibuwa jalo uka santswetsa ka wa mfe pa bontonyana tse jalo eish utla jalo ke tshware ke moeng jalo eish ke bua ntse sa tlamang ke dibuwa bo mara ke itshora ntle ke no ke le nna ke dibalo eish a ke se ke agane le ena tse ke masa tlonga ya zaka e alanga yona but again I ke le ka ba mjita ke tla thola mo God will bless me again. I will survive, man. I will see, but eish what I done, I messed up. I messed up and I regret what I done because of negatively you don't choose. Like I said in the beginning of our conversation, or I came here for you to help me, not to make things the way they ended. But hey, if only I knew.
Yeah. So do you still feel now to fix things, or you feel like it's done, it's child?
Man, how so? After things that I said, after things that she said, how so? Like, it's like chasing, shooting for a star.
Definitely. But I can say to you, it's very helpful sometimes to come to the show and speak about these things with your partner, because sometimes we end up finding out. So I appreciate what you've done today, show, because you weren't going to find them out if you didn't bring her here. So going forward now, you're breaking up with her, obviously. So obviously you're going to have a plan going forward as
I don't have one now.
Yeah.
I don't have one now. I just fucked up. I regret. But like I say, hey,
life goes on.
Thank you.
Just one more question. Do you need us to 6 seasons going forward?
I really don't need anything else. I don't want to hear anything about Tukarabo. This guy was just a Jimmy came to Joburg and I was there to rescue him.
So sometimes again.
No, can we just please leave me alone?
Guys, as you have seen, as the way we expected. My brother came here to clarify a couple of things, but they just went south. But it doesn't mean we won't be able to assist them or we can't be able to assist you in future. Now, please write to us on the show. And guys, I always tell you this. Speak about things, especially endlini before. Now, if you have a problem, issue, spalele, we're going to attack your issue. We're going to come to you everywhere, wherever you are. You're going to hear from us next time on the next episode. My name is MTP Pimbo. I'm out. Danko.